Hi, I'm Adrian.
And I'm Joel, and we're from Joel Hood Property, and today we're at 11 Cottage Place in Mornington. We're at a large 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, which is actually positioned at the end of a quiet court. It's going to suit large families. People will want some separated living, actually just over 50 squares. Outside?
Perfect for entertaining, perfect for large families with plenty of space, as you can see behind us, with a great outdoor entertaining area and fantastic in-ground pool.
Thanks so much for watching. This really is a unique property that's going to suit buyers who are looking for that extra sense of space.
For your own private tour, please feel free to give any member of the Joel Hood Property team a call. Alternatively, we look forward to seeing you at our next open home.